Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this.
Should we... Yeah, let's get a gun out, maybe.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Oh, it's got a torch on it as well. Fuck yeah.
Reload.
Well, just in case.
Well, that makes things a lot easier.
Yeah. Well, this is definitely gonna be...
Oh, lava.
Oh, maybe this is what I saw then.
Ah! Oh my god.
What?
Oh,
Calm down. What do you see? Oh, up
it's just
there.
a crunchable, but it ran at me.
Okay. Oh, there's quite a
gonna-
few of them.
Oh, it's a different one. It's like a spider.
It's like do you remember in like Kingdom Hearts the not the nobody, the nobody-less? Wait, what's it called? Oh, cat, why are you... Cat. You're filthy. You're filthy. Terrible.
Face down, ass up.
No, no, no.
Check your messages. Found the moose video. I will. Okay, hang on 1 second.
I found the moose video? What moose video?
Check my messages. Wait, which messages? Twitch?
Twitch?
Wait, or WhatsApp. Wait. I don't know where my phone is, Wes. I'll check it in a minute. I'll check in a minute.
I have no idea what you're doing.
Oh, look, it's me on a Saturday night. Phone? Phone is...
Heartless. Yes. No, so not the first game, the second one.
Phone's not here.
Because there's the
But it's
Heartless
somewhere,
and then
Wes.
there's
I'll have a look in a bit.
something else. The Bodiless? I can't remember. What's it called?
Do we have to throw the One Ring into the flames of Mount Doom? Is that what
Maybe.
we're doing here?
Yes. Oh. I'm getting like a R button. Set ammo. Oh.
Yeah, you just need to reload.
Oh, I heard some nasty stuff.
I heard some...
Yeah. That was the nasty stuff. Also, an ad starting soon. Bear that in mind.
Oh, I don't like running ahead. Last time this didn't go very well for me.
Well, I can do it. Although that... Is this... Wait, what is this? That's just death.
It's just a hole. Yeet!
Yeet. Okay.
You're like, that's just death. And I'm like, let's go.
Yeah, just like, there ain't stopping me.
I'm ready for it. I've experienced enough of this high hole. That is just a hole.
Wow.
Oh, wow. That's
What?
horrendous. I'm going to get my grenades.
Why?
Because there's a bunch of twins down there.
Oh, lovely. Oh, you just jumped down? What did I tell you about telling me when you're throwing stuff?
You're me.
I know, I'm just saying. Just a whole Rich's college nickname, not that. Not that. Are they twins? I think they're something different.
It's a spidery one.
Yeah.
Oh, he's one hit! Oh, he's a one hit!
What do you mean he's a one hit?
I just died in one hit.
I think that was the grenades more than anything.
No, I threw the grenade behind the rock.
Oh, yeah, but you absolutely, like, fell from it.
Oh, I don't know.
Thank you, Amanda.
Maybe I did kill myself by mistake. Stick it in your Discord? Okay. I'll have a look in just a sec.
Thank you, Amanda.
Okay.
Why is my... Oh, never mind. Ooh, hello. So I'm going to assume that we can't walk in the lava.
Yeah, floor's lava.
Oh, God.
Floor is lava.
I think you can get onto the...
What?
God, these are not good. Yeah, these are tough cookies for sure.
They're not nice. Okay.
No.
There's boxes around here. I just want to make sure that there's no...
Let's do it. Mine.
Cloth. I don't see anything else. Okay.
I really didn't know who to point it at, so I chose you. That's fair. It's kind of rude, but that's fair. Okay. Let's carry on.
Carry on my wayward son. I hate all of this.
Yeah. It's not great. Don't you cry no more.
Okay,
All I can see is you just like
I
crouching.
have this fear now that I'm going to be running and something's going to run at me, and I just hate it.
I have no idea
I'm just very
why.
hesitant right now.
No idea why. Oh, what the lava?
Wow. Oh, there's
That's-
another one. I can't ping. There's another one down.
There are so many. There are so many.
Now I understand the ammo.
Ah! Oh. That's...
Oh.
Yeah, there's loads of them. Oh my god!
I gotta reload.
Same.
Woo!
Oh my good lords.
God.
Ah! Why is there so many?
Oh my God.
There is so many.
Oh, I
Running.
hate all of this.
Oh, I'm out of ammo. No, not. I just need to reload. Help. Are you okay?
I don't know. I'm just.
Hi.
Okay, got one. Oh, I have to reload again? Oh, I'm so low
I'm
on
down.
health.
I'm down. Run, run, run.
I can't run! I can't run!
Try run. Try running. I need to switch over to the laptop. That's absolutely fine, Amanda. Tip, helps if those shots connect. How dare you?
Oh, I'm gonna die! Oh, I'm gonna die! Oh, I'm gonna die so bad. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh, I'm gonna die. Run! Ooh!
What do you mean run?
I just got you back up, didn't I?
I know, yeah.
Take meds.
No chance. No time.
Woo! Oh.
Go in. Should we try and...
Hang on, I'm going back up. I'm going back up a second. I'm gonna get
Plan.
some meds up here.
Good plan. I'm coming. I'm running. Run past him. Keep going.
She's like, I'm leaving.
I'm not leaving. I just need some meds. Throw flares down there. That's actually a very good point. Also, grenades.
I got him.
Is there any more?
This is a lovely safe room, isn't it just? Isn't it just? Right, I'm gonna take some more meds.
No, not yet. Or we might be okay. It's fine. I can still hear some. I see you. Down there.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Dead.
Suck it.
Suck it. Okay, so that was a lot.
That was a lot. I don't want to know what's coming.
Agreed.
Do we go down here?
I guess so.
Yes?
This doesn't seem safe at all. I'm not gonna lie.
This feels very Mount Doom.
Behind you. Not me!
Ew.
I'm out of ammo! Ah! Reloading.
Ew.
Dead.
Oh, I'm out of ammo. Okay.
What, completely?
Yeah. Oh! I haven't got a light. I can't see. Ooh!
Hi.
Okay, we're good?
Yep. I feel like when you aim with the shotgun, it doesn't do very well. I feel like it does
doesn't.
better.
You need to have that tune as a sound redeem. I do, don't I?
Mm-hmm. Hopefully there's more bullets. Nope, just
Nope.
cans. Just cans.
Just cans of food.
I might
Need more bullets? No. Have some cat food. You'll be fine.
I might very quickly change to my pistol or revolver even.
Yeah, I'm gonna have another energy drink and another MRE pack and just keep my stamina up.
Mm-hmm.
I'm also gonna make some more Molotovs.
That sounds like a good idea.
Do. Okay.
No
1,
fear.
2.
Oh, this opens up.
Molotovs are full. Okay,
Oh,
fine.
there's emails. Stay in the cube.
Stay in the cube.
And
Are
then
you ahead of me or behind me?
ahead. Out demonia. Okay.
Where? Oh, okay.
Where
Out, demonia!
exactly? Exactly that.
Oh, I took a screenshot of the thing last time, didn't I? Because there was a code, wasn't there?
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
Stay in the cube. Stay in the cube. Okay.
Opens up again.
Okay, come in, Matt.
Oh!
Come in.
Back. Reloads! Reloads! It's not reloading! Ah, I'm dead! I'm a dead man! Hi. I almost perished as well then. These guns don't do much, do they? Oh! Okay. Let me heal.
Yeah, I'm just gonna take some more meds. Ooh, boy.
I'm beginning to think Cheesy may not have a zombie survival team. Will not make a survival team. How dare you? These aren't zombies.
I'm
That's
just gonna
why.
wait for my health to go back up to the top before we carry on, because otherwise,
Yeah, good point.
yeah.
Although I do wonder.
Hmm.
So we haven't really used the cross yet. I wonder if that's meant to help.
Oh, shall I hold it and see what happens?
Well, if you press left with it, it does like a little weird
Ouch,
animation.
demon! Ah.
So I'm
Okay.
wondering if this protects us in any way. Careful with the
Wait, where did you
cliff.
go? Oh, okay.
Sorry, yeah, carried on. Seeing, I think we got to go down. Oh, yeah, that way.
So apparently, some of them catch fire, but I don't know which ones that is.
Catch fire?
Like if you put the cross at them because they're demons.
Hmm. Back, demon.
Rah!
Okay.
Sorry, I was just doing the cross.
Rah, yeah.
Rah!
Meow.
Meow.
Well, we
The
can
sound
try.
of the lava really does make it feel so homely in here.
There's no place like home.
There's no place like a home. Ah, hell.
You just gotta clap your cheeks
Haven't
together
been here
3
in
times.
years. I've always said I could do with the spa day.
Mm-hmm.
The steam's great for my skin.
You okay? Oh, it does. It catches them on fire.
Back. Naughty boy.
Wait, so if one of us holds the cross, if one of us holds the cross and then the other one has a gun,
Woo!
it can.
Oh, he's dead. He is dead.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
that
think
worked so
I think
well.
the fire
Okay.
killed him. Okay, I'm back-ish. No worries, Amanda. Take your time. You're fine.
The fire killed them, yet they live in lava.
Yes.
Video game logic.
So yeah, I think if one of us has the gun, one of us
Hey, buddy.
has the cross, it might be a good tactic. Ah! One. See? Yeah.
Okay.
Aha.
Just keep moving. Just keep moving.
But I thought, what? Why?
Oh, he just fell on the floor and we fully went. Woo!
Fully went. Ooh!
He did. He just like had a demonic.
Yeah, I think the cross is definitely a way forward. No.
A
Back,
cross slash
demon.
running away. Woo!
Yes. Back, demon.
Back.
I don't know where we're meant to be going. This way. Oh god, there's so many of
Oh
them.
my god, there's so many.
Okay, get a grenade maybe.
I'm just running for it at this point. I feel like we can just leave them.
I don't know.
I feel like when you show the cross at them, it sort of stalls them for a minute.
Yeah.
Ah!
Back. Back, I say. Oh, just chuck a grenade at them whilst they're all distracted. Or not. I wish you could hold both at the same time. Back, demons.
Okay.
Back.
One's dead.
Okay, there's
Okay.
like 3 behind
Holy
me.
Spirit, activate. Holy Spirit, activate. 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 Where's David when you need him? I need him to sing this song.
Are
to me.
you shooting them?
No. No!
Please. Okay. Are you... yeah. Okay, is that all? Did we kill them all with fire? I think we did.
We did, yeah.
Amazing.
And I lost less health doing that than I
Ah!
did.
I'm still being attacked. Oh my god, that's a thing.
Just a big one.
Yeah. Okay, I need to heal very quickly.
Yeah, you're fine. I see a door or something the other side. I also see more spidery demons.
More.
You good?
I'm okay.
Okay. She's a little cross. A big one, you say? It's a big...
Cat.
Oh, boy. I'm getting the grenades.
Yes.
I'm getting a time bomb.
I'm also getting a time bomb. Damn, that's big.
Ooh, there's a little one. There's a little one.
There's little ones too. Wait, where'd it go?
Behind us. I'm just going...
Oh, it's on the ceiling. It climbs. Oh my god, that's huge.
Oh, I'm stuck underneath it. I don't know what to do.
Run. Just run. That is huge. Oh my god, it's sprinting. I'm running.
Oh, yes.
Back, demon. Is it still chasing us? I can't see it.
No, I think we're okay.
There's the little
Oh, no,
ones
the
coming.
little...
Little ones are fine. Back. Where are you? Where did you go?
I'm here fighting the demons. Get back, you.
Oh,
Get
there.
back to hell from whence you came.
Cat, watch out.
Ah! Oh, I'm so nearly dead.
Right, heal. Heal.
I can't. I have no meds.
Oh, fuck. Okay. Back, demons. Yes, it is creepy. Is your cross effective? These don't seem to set on fire. These definitely are setting on fire. They're just taking their sweet ass time.
Okay.
I think that's all of them. Maybe not. Set on fire. Wait. Do you need some meds? Come here.
Yeah, I need some meds. Yes, please.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. I only
Why do
have.
you look like C3PO?
I don't know. Take one for now.
Yeah, I'll take one and then we'll just go from there.
Oh, I also accidentally gave you an edge drink. Never mind.
Oh. you can have that, it's
Thanks.
fine.
I think I'm gonna quickly eat as well. How you doing, Chris? I hope you're well.
How do you switch ammo on the thing again?
I think you hold R.
Okay, I have to wait to reload though.
Yeah, that's fair. I think I'm also gonna get my shotgun out again.
That's very appropriate timing wise.
Okay.
Get away from her, you bitch. Let's
Are
go.
you good?
Yeah, where's did his sound come on there?
I've been lurking whilst I mounted TV. Cool, nice. Is it a big
Right,
one?
I'm gonna grab grenades. No,
Yeah.
Molotov. Yes,
I can't
Molotov and
see
lighter.
where it is.
it's in the lava.
Oh yeah, okay, I can see it. It's pretty big.
Pretty big.
I'm also gonna check like a load of
Oh,
flares
it's on
around.
the ceiling.
Yeah, I did say. Oh, there's something behind you. Oh my god, it's huge. That wasn't the one. Ah, it's chasing me!
Where's the big?
Cat, there's like loads around you. I don't like it.
I said.
Oh, oh, okay. I'm coming back. I think. I'm so under it. So bad. It's like 60 inches. Alright.
God, it's following me. It's following me. I will be right with you. I'm just. Oh God.
Oh no. Oh my god, that's huge.
Oh, what the in my book? Why am I in my book right now?
I'm being eaten because you left me. Oh, I'm a dead man. Cat!
Coming back. I'm coming back. I'm coming back.
I'm almost dead.
Run.
I'm dead. No, Sagisa, no, I'm
Oh
not.
God. Oh my God, you're not even here with me anymore. Oh,
No, I did say.
I'm running.
Cheesy complained about being eaten. There's a first for everything. Well,
Oh God.
are you good?
Oh no, I'm not. But thank you for asking.
It's okay. That's what I do.
Fuck off.
Mm-hmm. Do you want to come try pick me up?
Yeah, I'm coming. Just.
That area where you went down, was it safe?
Well, I think so. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know where the big one's gone. Oh,
What was that sound?
I don't know, but I hate it.
Your character moaning though? Sagisa.
Ah! Ah!
There's the big one. Running. Yeah, just... Oh, I'm down again.
You can't get in here. You can't get in here. You bitch.
Well, I mean, I'm down again, but...
Ah! I'm coming to get you. I just.
Just take your time, you're fine. I decided your creator was called Mark, by the way, because it's a mark, but it's also... It's like, oh, hi, Mark. Nice, Chris, nice. Each time I see your C in Kat's channel, I think I'm seeing her. What? Oh, because cheesy? Oh, that makes sense. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm just killing the beast because it's.
Wait, you're gonna kill it without me?
Well, it's blocking me in. I can't get to you without killing it.
Oh.
I'm stuck in the hole.
Well.
Oh God. That took a lot of health.
Welcome to more thrilling content on Cheesy's side.
Look, I'm sorry.
Above your character, yes, because Cheesy and Cat, but Cat is a W because Horde Wars. Yeah. Wish I was stuck in that hole. Oh my god, did you... Oh, no, you just killed me.
Oh.
The grenade.
Wait, but you'll spawn in the cave. You'll spawn in the cave.
Oh, good point. Good point. Hopefully not too far away.
Yeah, this guy's blocking me in, so I'm just gonna skin him.
Wait, did you kill him?
Yeah, it's dead. I got it.
Oh, okay. Well,
And now, now his booty's blocking the cave.
fantastic. We love that. So, did you just kill the boss by yourself?
Well, he blocked me in the hole,
Right.
and I couldn't get out. So either I carried on through the cave,
Mm-hmm.
or I killed it. That was my option.
Fair. It's fair.
Because I couldn't get out. So it's like I couldn't come and get you.
It's okay.
I'm sorry!
It's fine. It might take me a while to get there, though, because there's stuff and things. Oh, yeah, it put me, like, right... No, it's fine. It just took me right to the start.
Oh, God, okay.
Don't worry.
I'm just-
Yeah, you wait there.
I'm just making sure there's no other things out here.
Oh, God, there's more in here, though.
Okay, can you run past them? You good.
I am going to do my best.
I'm running back just to make sure that...
Oh, there's so many of them.
Keep running.
Ooh, yep. Doing it.
I'm coming back towards you.
I'm coming back for you, baby.
Hi!
Hi.
Okay.
They're still there. It's fine. We'll carry on.
I got...
Are you good?
Yeah, I killed it. Let's go.
Let's do it. And he's up again. It's true.
Whew!
Oh, you mean
boy.
the boss? Yeah. Can you imagine the big boss just like, yep, I've
Respawns
been
because
revived.
you respawned. I'd cry.
That thing was pretty big, though.
That's what she said. Yeah. He's just... Oh, he's despawned now. It's fine.
Oh.
It was like you had to walk through his butthole to get into the cave.
I mean,
Oh, no, he is still there. Look. So he blocked me in. So I was stuck in this hole, and I couldn't get back out to get you because he was just here.
oh, I see.
And now we might have to cut him up or something, or burn him because I can't get through.
Yeah, okay. Do you wanna...
I need fire.
Oh, let me just
Molotov.
let me just throw... Oh, yeah, do that. Or I can chuck a grenade in. Oh, yeah, let me try and chuck a grenade behind him. Did that do anything?
Nope, hang on, watch out.
Beautiful.
And then maybe, oh, I don't have any more grenades, damn. One and one.
I don't think it's doing anything. I think he's wedged. Hi. We're about to leave. No. I meant you. Mr. Boss came in and
I got a
took me.
time bomb.
Oh,
Let me
sorry.
just make a time bomb and see if I can get rid of him that way.
I don't think it's gonna work.
Do you want to come out?
Yeah. Okay.
Get back. Woo!
Nope.
Oh, God. Oh, wait. Crouch.
Yay!
Yes!
We're doing it. Can you whack it with a melee weapon? No. But it's fine, we're through. And now Cat's bending. Carol.
I was just getting some stuff out.
I know, you're
I think I might
good.
just put my flashlight back out. Where? Oh, there's a squeezy through. Oh, and a door!
Oh, okay. Wait, where did you go?
Oh, it's Kelvin. Is it Kelvin? No, it's not Kelvin. It's a guy. Oh, I'm in a cutscene.
Oh, okay.
I'm in
Oh.
a square. I'm in the cube.
Okay,
Here's a
bear with me.
countdown. Is that Calvin with us?
Oh! Oh!
You show me a countdown. Oh, his ears have gone funny. Is he okay? Oh, he just multiplied. Oh, he's just multiplied. No, he's not. He stopped multiplying.
Hold
Is
on.
this like an interdimensional thing?
I think I'm like a little bit behind you. Hang on. This is very
Oh.
strange. Oh.
His face, he's like, ah. What the fuck is this? What kind of Stranger Things upside down? What the fuck? Oh.
What the? What?
Oh. You okay there, Calvin? Oh. Oh my. What the fuck is that?
Ah! It's a colon.
Oh? Wait. But now there's a helicopter.
Wait, what? Shush!
Did we just...
Wait, Virginia! What?
Beach on the helicopter. What about Timmy?
Wait, what are you on about?
Or not Timmy. Fucking the guy that we had to find. Call him Timmy. He's not Timmy.
No, yeah. Oh, maybe? No.
No, because there was going to be a surveillance room, and there wasn't. Wait, it doesn't let me leave with them. I would have picked up my bag, and now they've left me on the island.
What?
Oh.
Wait, no, look, the bag's here.
Yeah, I picked it up.
Yeah.
Right. Has the helicopter flown away for you?
Hang on. No, it's still there.
No, they get in the helicopter and they leave you behind.
Oh. Oh, I wonder if, like, so if you got in with them, it'd be like, that's
End
the
game.
end. Yeah.
But now we're just back on the island.
Bye.
Nearly completed the game? Yeah, but like... So on the first one, right, there's an option to keep a hold of the big magical stick that tames the Crunchkables.
Yeah.
And you can just live there with them. Or you can, like, leave the island.
I want to go with them.
What of weird... What happened?
Also, what happened to Virginia? She die?
I don't even know.
I am so confused.
Like, I feel like we haven't got all the answers.
No. Maybe we should have gotten the helicopter.
Oh, I found meds though.
Oh yeah, cool. Bright side.
I wonder if you can do the cuts. I wonder if you can do end game like multiple times.
Maybe. I guess so. I have so many questions.
Same.
But I have no answers. Should we... I'm gonna save. Do you want to sleep?
I'm very confused.
Yeah.
So did we...
Did we just... I don't know.
I'm sleeping.
Okay.